Good morning. I'm making an oatmeal chia raspberry bowl to take with me to work today for breakfast. It has cocoa powder, chia seeds, oatmeal, almond milk, frozen raspberries. I'm making it early in the morning and it's going to sit for a couple hours, so by the time I get ready to eat it, it'll be ready. And it also has collagen in it. And I'm going to add a kiwi, so I thought I'd show you how to open a kiwi, how to cut it up. Kiwi's another thing that can look a little daunting. So just cut the ends off. There's your beautiful kiwi. Take a spoon and just go around the outside. And the kiwi's ripe, it's soft. So try to get them on the not too hard side. You can just touch feel them that they're ripe. So see how that peel's just coming right off? It's so easy. Pop it off, all done. And then I'm gonna just cut it in half and then cut little stripes, little lines down the middle. And then I'm gonna turn it, cut it, simple, put it in my dish so it's ready for later. So I have my breakfast with the kiwi on top, with the oatmeal, cocoa powder, collagen. I also put a little cinnamon, chia seeds, almond milk, a lot of things. I'll list it. So I hope that slicing kiwi helped you out. Have a great day.